Hello friends, today I am back with my new video on how to edit and replace any text in a class schedule or a timetable. So there are chances that you have made a timetable and by mistake it has been found wrong. So you want to change some text in it without actually changing the layout in it. So today I will tell you the easiest way to do so. So first of all, if you want to make some changes in the timetable without disturbing its layout, so you need to install a small application and the name of that application is Photo Editor. You can see the arrow. So you have to download this application from Play Store. So when you have downloaded, just click on Photo Editor app and then click on gallery. From gallery you will select the image of that timetable of what you want to change. So I am clicking on this image. Just a second. Yeah, so you can see this is a small timetable and I want to make some changes in its text, such as over Monday I have to write something else, or over French I have to write something else. So today I will tell you the easiest way to do so without actually changing the layout. So first of all, when the timetable is in front of you, first decide that what you have to change. For an example, right now I have to change this. You can see over here Saturday it's written and then computer C and F. Suppose I want to write over C and F, I want to write RFP, reading for pleasure. It can be anything, whatever you wish to. I am giving an example. So suppose I want to change this computer to RFP without actually changing the layout so that it doesn't looks odd. So I will tell you the easiest way to do so. So just minimize the photo. Yeah. Click on this hamburger option. You can see these three lines at the bottom right corner. Just click on these three lines and then click on text or image. Delete. Now when you have clicked on text or image, you can see a small plus sign over here. Just click on this plus sign and click on the shapes icon. You can see there is a smiley. So to the left of the smiley, click on this shapes icon. Once you have clicked on this shapes icon, now you have to choose a rectangle. Over here rectangle is already selected, so I have to choose that rectangle. Now I have to click on fill. Now on clicking on fill, you can see there are two options, top and bottom. So click on top and then click on this pick color option. You can see the arrow. So just click on this option and then select the color of the box to which you want to replace. So over here computer C and F is written and the background of that is blue. So I will click on that blue color. I have clicked on that blue. Now you have seen that this color has automatically been detected and selected by the AI. So now I don't have to do anything, I just have to click on OK. Once I have clicked on OK, it has, see, the top color has been changed. Now again I have to do the same thing at bottom. So click on bottom, click on this pick color option and then again select the same color. Yeah, see, it has again detected the same color. Now click on OK. Now you can see the color of that box has been same, is the same that we wanted. So just click on apply and you can see there is no difference in the color. So just make it small, or I would prefer you to zoom and make the image become larger in front of you. Now click on this box, drop it down and adjust it accordingly. You have to adjust this box accordingly. So I will try to adjust it. Seen how smooth it looks. It looks like nothing was already written over here, and the layout has also not been disturbed. You have seen it's looking so nice. It is not visible that, or it does not seems that earlier it was written something on it. So now I can easily change the text. Once you have seen that how we change the background and how we erase the earlier text, now you can easily add text from any option. So for example, I will write some kind of text like RFP, so TT, and right now I'm using this app to just write the text. If you want, you can use any other app also, because writing text is not a big trouble. RFP, down, apply. Now I would just shrink it and adjust it. For that I would again zoom and click on RFP and I would try to adjust it. Yeah, adjusted. Now when I again minimize it, then you can see there is not at all a much difference. The layout hasn't been hampered and everything looks nice, everything is looking fine. And I have even changed the text which I wanted. Instead of computer, I wrote RFP without even disturbing the layout. So this is how you can easily do so. For an example, I would do it the same process once again. So over here, now I want to change this computer AND into RFP. So again, click on plus sign, shapes, fill, top, pick color, and then this yellow color. Okay, again bottom, pick color, this yellow color once again, and then okay. Now click on apply. You can see this box has come. Now I will adjust it accordingly so that this could be erased. Yeah, see how nicely it is done. It's not visible and it's very clear also. Now I would adjust some text again. Suppose I have to write RFP once again. RFP, reading for pleasure. Apply. Now I would adjust this. RFP. And adjusted. Can you see it's really looking very nice, and even the layout is also the same. Everything is looking perfectly fine, and the only change made is that of the text. Everything else is same, and it's not even looking very bad. When we do editing, sometimes it happens that it is visible that we have edited something, but right now over here it's not so clearly visible that we have edited, and this is how you can easily do so. Now I would just take a screenshot of this image. I took a screenshot. Now suppose I want to share it to WhatsApp, so I will click on share, and then WhatsApp. I would share it to the desired person, then crop it. Just a second. Would crop it, done. If you want, you can write also, such as I am writing timetable, and now I will send it. Easy and very clear. So if you liked the video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you. I hope the video was helpful.